Warning, this is heresy. Just watching the video may get you in trouble with the relativity and quantum gods. When the Hiroshima atomic bomb hit the headlines in 1945, there were all kinds of explanations of the nuclear phenomena. There were mousetrap analogies, mysterious binding forces, and all sorts of ideas. Even though I was only 15, none of the explanations sounded very reasonable to me. 50 years later, the explanations got much more complex and irrational, but still did not sound reasonable. Since the Stone Age, magical explanations have given way to logical, self-consistent theories. Nuclear phenomena should also have reasonable explanations. This is an effort to find one. Atomic electron shells. Niels Bohr did a fantastic job of accounting for the different energy levels of electrons orbiting the nucleus with his model of atoms. There was a problem. No reason was apparent for the shells to be at certain discrete distances from the nucleus. So he changed horses and went with the weird alternative theories. The reason scientists gave up on making a rational model of the atoms 100 years ago is that they could not find a way to explain the discrete orbits of electrons around the nucleus. The rest of the relationships had been pretty well defined 100 years ago. A solution to the problem could be a rotating magnetic field around a nucleus, which would force orbiting electrons to sync with a multiple of the rotation time. A rotating magnetic field around the nucleus seemed far-fetched until it showed up in some experimental data. See page 81 in the Handbook of Nuclear Properties. All that is needed for discrete energy levels is a nucleus with a rotating or pulsing magnetic field. The orbits are neither circular nor elliptical because the magnetic field of the nucleus will distort the orbits. The reason shell electrons in an atom conform to discrete energies is because the period of the orbits is a multiple of the time of rotation of the magnetic field. The period of the magnetic field decreases with increasing atomic numbers. The relative time for one of each shell's electrons to approach the nucleus are 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and 4 for the first 8 shells. There are more possible energy levels between the major ones, which can account for the S, P, D, F subshells. No unbelievable assumptions or magic is needed. These are concepts from Miller's Model of Matter. Visit millersmodelofmatter.com for the rest of the theory. You can send comments and rants to millersmodelofmatter@gmail.com. Thank you for listening.